Hi children, today is the first class of your science subject. Let us start with the chapter Nutrition in Plants. This is the first chapter of your science subject. Before going to study about this chapter, let us recall some of the basic. Okay children, we know that every organisms require food. Why do the organisms require food, or why do organisms take food? Because every organisms require food. Why means to get the energy. Why the organisms require food? The organisms require food to get the energy. Have you understood what is the requirement of food? Yes. Then, which type of food we have to consume? We are eating every day. Is it or not? Yes. We have to consume the food which are rich in nutrients. Which are rich in nutrients. Do you know which are the types of nutrients present in the food? Okay. There are 5 types of nutrients, that is carbons. Which are the 5 types of nutrients means? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Do you know where the carbohydrates are present? The carbohydrates are present in the food like rice, wheat, potato and etc. Proteins are rich in milk, egg, meat, beans. We are daily consuming the milk. Is it or not? Yes. We are consuming the milk. Why means it is rich in proteins and gives more energy. Then fats are rich in nuts. Have you seen the groundnuts? Yes. That is the groundnut will have the rich in fat and egg, meat, fish. Next, vitamins. Vitamins are rich in almost all the fruits and vegetables. Example, banana, carrot and also some of the vegetables like tomato, brinjal, etc. And minerals are rich in milk, ginger, leafy vegetables, banana, etc. These are the some of the sources of nutrients. That means the carbohydrates are present in which food, proteins are present in which food. So these are the some of the nutrients present in the food. Why we have to consume the nutrients rich food? Because the nutrients rich food helps to build the bodies of living organisms. What it does means it helps to build the bodies of living organisms and it helps to grow. What it helps to grow? The nutrients will helps to grow. And also when we get some damaged, that means when the body gets damaged of any part of your body, these nutrients rich food will repair the damaged parts of the body. And also it provides the energy to carry out life processes. Which are the life processes? Life processes includes, it may be a digestion, respiration, excretion, circulation. These are the life processes which are taking inside our body. So to carry out all the life processes, the nutrients rich food is very necessary. Well children, this is the basics, that is components of food, uses of nutrients. You are already learnt in the 6th standard. Next we move on to the nutrition. What is the meaning of nutrition? Do you know? nutrition means it is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. That means we are taking the food. We means organisms, that means animals or either plants or animals. We are taking the food. Why? To get the energy. So this is the meaning of nutrition. That means it is a mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. How the body will utilize means it gets some energy while taking the food. Next, we know that there are two types of living things. Is it or not? Yes. That is plants and animals. We means human beings can prepare their own food. Is it or not? Yes. But how the plants can prepare the food? For this, there is a two mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Let us study about the autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means the mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves. That means auto means self, tropos means nourishment. That means the organisms make the food by themselves. Which organisms make the food? Plants. Which means plants. The plants are called as autotrophs because it can prepare their own food. Have you understood? Autotrophic nutrition means it is a type of nutrition in which organisms make food. Which organisms make the food means plants. Next, move on to the heterotrophic nutrition. Here the word hetero. What is the meaning of hetero? Hetero means others or different. Nutrition means we already know that nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and utilization by the body. So heterotrophic nutrition means the mode of nutrition where organisms take in food prepared by the plants. Here the organisms, it does not prepare their own food, but it will depends on the plants for their food. That means plants will prepare the food and that food is consumed by the animals. So animals are called as a heterotrophs. Well children, today in this class we learnt about the we have learnt about the nutrients, that is components of food, uses of nutrients, meaning of nutrition, and modes of nutrition, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. In the next class we continue with this chapter. Here I have given some homework questions. Write and learn the given questions 2 times in HW neatly. First question, name the components of food. Why do organisms take food? What is nutrition? Which are the 2 modes of nutrition? Differentiate between autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. By referring these points, you have to answer the questions. Okay children, if you have any doubts, you can clarify with us. Thank you.